like half of this, but like not half of it at the same time. But then the worst thing ever, my tab said that my storage is full. But I deleted like 44 pictures. I don't even know what. It looked like a stuffed animal's eye. So yeah, as you can see, we got a potato here, a potato there. But yeah, you don't need to worry about this. We're not cooking with those. You need to worry about these. Okay, we have to have oil on the stove as of right now. Yeah, so you see the little black thing right by my finger. That is the pan with oil. Yeah. All right, we're good. My sister is doing the dishes. The last clip I told you it was 4 days from my birthday. Today is July 29th. I almost said June again. It's 10:17 at night. My last video was probably 10:13 or something. Yeah, mini tacos with French fries and mozzarella stick.
Finger food. Hey.
Should I warm this up?
No, it's not real meat. It's beef. Fake meat.
I'm gonna pause you for 1 second. Hey, what's up? I got my water.
So how many followers do you have?
Oh look, we have giant bananas.
Plantain.
What? My face is ugly. No one likes me. But I have like 140 views. Either that or nobody subscribed. Wait, no, because oh my god, because one of my videos I have 5 likes. On one of my videos I have 5 likes. Definitely although nobody has.
As many likes on your profile.
I don't know if they have to. Because we have potato. Easy. Oh yeah, so another ingredient is no cab lauer.
Excuse me.
Alright. Real bacon bits, okay?
What are you trying to call them?
Oh no, I'm trying to read them backwards. We got the potatoes and the oil. And then I'm going to do apparently the Goya adobe. Should I put this on?
Adobo, and not yet. Wait until you
Okay.
take them out.
Okay. And it smells good straight through the lid. No, seriously though, this. Oh! Smells like if Christmas went Spanish.
Huh?
Smells like if Christmas went Spanish. I don't know why I just have so much trouble saying Christmas. Dang! This comes out so weird. Christmas.